What's up, weight warriors? Come on, give yourself a round of applause for the last workout we did. And today we're gonna get into another hit workout. I want you to grab yourself some motivation, but don't worry about it because I'm here for you. I'm definitely here to motivate you. Do that workout. Keep grinding the fat. Keep grinding that weight. So here we are, and the workout today is all about burning belly fat, working out, and toning those arms. So we're starting up with the warm up. Yeah, I'm just warming up, relaxing my muscles, prepping my muscles for that serious heat workout we're gonna be doing. So just join me as we warm up. Just take a few minutes to warm up, guys. It's very important to warm up. To the use of our dumbbells and our yoga mats. I'll be doing what you see me doing, just follow along. This helps to burn arm fat. It also helps to burn belly fat. Keep going, guys. Keep going. The use of the dumbbell, it helps to burn more calories. Are you giving up? Don't give up. Someday I'm gonna tone up those arms. You can join me tone your arms as well as I'm toning mine. You see how tired I'm getting? I'm no superwoman. I'm feeling very tired, like I feel like giving up, but I won't give up. I will reach my threshold. I'll keep going. You can keep going. Just follow me along. We're almost getting to the end. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you burn as much calories like I did, and I hope you're getting your dream body. So I'm definitely gonna see you in my next. Please stay motivated. It's a lot of sacrifice, it takes a lot of determination, and a big shout out to Timmy Frosh and Emirate TV. Please, you guys go subscribe to them, for they have taken this challenge to work out 7 days workout. So You can join us in this challenge. I'm definitely gonna see you in my next workout. Bye. Love you so much.